Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your profile photo on Instagram using your PC. If you're looking to clean up your profile or simply want to start fresh, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, just enter your username and password. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see an icon that represents your profile. Click on that icon to navigate directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see your current profile photo along with all your posts. To delete your profile picture, click on the Edit Profile button, which you'll find near your profile information. After clicking Edit Profile, look for the option that says Change Photo. This will allow you to manage your current profile picture. Click on that, and a few options will appear, including one labeled Remove Current Photo. Go ahead and click on Remove Current Photo. A prompt will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Take a moment to review your choice. If you're certain you want to delete your photo, go ahead and click Confirm. And just like that, your profile photo will be removed. Now you'll see a blank space where your profile picture used to be, giving you the opportunity to upload a new photo later or simply leave it empty for now. It's that simple. Deleting your profile photo on Instagram from your PC is a quick and easy process.